Hi friends, my name is Abhishek, and I'm from Isaac. So yesterday we have learned the pattern program, right? With the numbers. But today we will again print the star pattern, but in it is in different way. So let us write the problem statement. The problem statement is you have to leave. So you have to. So you have to give space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you have to write star. And, and after that 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you have to write 2 stars. And you have to give 2 spaces and star, star, star. Here star, 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 star. So I hope everything. Yeah, now it's like triangle, right? So it should be like this. Like you have to give 4 spaces, 3 spaces, 2 spaces, 1 space, and finally you have to give no spaces. So here you should have four spaces, 3 spaces, 2 spaces, 1 space, and stars. So you have to print like this pattern. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let us write the code. So import java dot util dot star. So as we know, we have to take scanner. Scanner at c is equal to new scanner system dot in. So int n is equal to c dot next in, and we have to open for loop int I is equal to 0. So for int I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, and I plus plus. So first of all, what we have to give? 4 spaces. So 4 spaces, for that I am starting int j is equal to 1, and j should be less than or equal to n minus I. So j less than or equal to, yes, n minus I. Why I'm writing n minus I? So each time I have to print first 4 spaces, 2 spaces, right? So it will start from 1 to n minus 1. What is n 5? For 5 minus 1, 4. 4 spaces will come. So until this loop will allow, it will continues. So we have to give space. That's it. System dot out dot println space. That's it. After giving space, we have to print the star. For that, I am taking k is equal to 1, k less than or equal to I. So based upon the I, right, we have to print the star and j plus plus. Sorry, k plus plus. So based on the Okay, we have to print the, yeah, it should start from 1. And it should from, right, yeah, standard out dot, println, not println, print, star, standard out dot, print, println, that's it. So what I have written is, I have given the spaces for this. This for loop is for spaces, and this for loop is a, as it is. Earlier we have done, right? So as it is. That's it. I have included the space. That's it. Nothing else. Why I'm writing n minus 1? Because each time I want 4, 3. So for, what is the n value if I give 5? 5 minus 1, 4. First four spaces will come. And after that, the I value will be, j value will be, j value will be. So let us run this program. Let's see what will happen. Let us give 5. So first of all, we have to give 1, and j rather than or equal to n minus 1. And after that, so j plus plus value come completed, and you give that much spaces. J plus plus. So here we are writing println. That's it. That's why it's coming. So let's give 5. See here, 4 spaces, 3 spaces, 2 spaces, 1 space, and finally the code executes properly. We have written null. That's it. Nothing else. The code is correct. So this is the pattern. Uh, if you think this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends, and please subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon. Then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.